Every single minute of the day you can be making money and having loads of it flowing right into your bank accounts. Yes, that is correct. You can make money online every minute and hour of the day. That's right. You heard me correctly. With this new method you will be able to make money automatically every 60 seconds. So watching this brand new video you will learn a brand new technique that not many people know how to take what I am about to show you and to possibly make more money than you have ever dreamed of automatically. So keep watching this video to the end and I'm going to show you a new secret bonus method that makes your ability to make money possibly double, and even triple the normal amounts of money that you would normally make. And the best part about this is that once you set up this brand new technique it will run on autopilot making you more and more money. You can potentially continue to earn and make money, even while you sleep. But you'll be having so much fun with this easy and fast technique that you might need to go and get a bigger wallet to fit in all of the money that you can make. So hang on while I show you in every single detail how this will work in this new and fast, totally free tutorial that will be shown to you now. It's a step-by-step tutorial that you won't want to miss. Step 1. Click on the links in the description below. But, before we begin, welcome to Make Money Girls, where we show you how to potentially make more money using the internet online from your home computer, your tablet, and even your smartphone. You can do this anywhere around the world and still make money. Imagine what you will do with all of this money. You can pay off some bills, get the latest fashionable clothes, buy some presents for your friends and yourself, and become the superstar of your dreams. But, before we start this video, I want to welcome you to Make Money Girls, where we post regular videos showing you how to make money online. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new videos showing you how you too can make money every single day. Also, please remember to like this video and to share it with your family and your friends. Did you know that YouTube is the most popular video streaming platform on the entire planet Earth? Yep, there are almost 1.3 billion people, that millions of viewers that use YouTube around the world. And almost 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every single day. Did you also know that YouTube gets more than 30 million visitors per day just looking at videos? That is a lot of people watching videos and even more opportunities for you to earn money. Just imagine if you were able to get paid for each time that somebody clicks on and watches one of your videos. That is a lot of money that would go right into your pocket. Well, let's start learning how to make money getting people to watch your videos right now. Oh, and the best part about this brand new technique is that you won't need to go out and buy any expensive cameras, or microphones, or fancy recording equipment. You also won't have to learn any HTML coding, or create any of your own videos for uploading, wondering if they will be watched. With this new technique that we will show you, you will also learn step by step where to create your very own free Bitcoin wallet account for cashing in your money. And, choosing what type of videos to look for, and the best types of videos for sharing that people will want to watch, and to share over and over again. This is going to be fun and potentially make you lots more money continuously. Can't you just hear all of the money rolling in? Now let's get to the video. And, remember to click on the like button so that we can continue to bring you new and updated videos for you to learn how to make money and to enjoy a fun and new wealthy lifestyle. So before we begin, use the links in the description below and be sure that you click on the that says UII.io link shortener and create a free account. This account is for creating video links where you can get paid. I'll show you how it all works together. Step 2 is to click on the links in the description below to create a brand new Paxful account. This is free. This is going to let you take your money with you. It is a new way for saving your money that is even better than a bank or a credit card. Just use the link in the description below to sign up and get your free Paxful Bitcoin wallet. On the Paxful home screen you'll see on the left, a place for you to enter your phone number. Enter in your phone number. And below it you'll need to create a password. Type in a password that you will remember. Or, you can click above where it says email and you can type in your email address and then afterwards you'll need to create a password. After that is completed you can then click on the Create Account button. It will need to verify that a human is creating the account. So go ahead and complete the puzzle by sliding the piece to the right and your verification will be successful. The next screen will prompt you to verify your email by sending you a code that you will enter here to continue validating your new Paxful Bitcoin account. When you complete setting up a new Paxful Bitcoin wallet, you'll be able to shop any place that you want, that accepts Bitcoins, in the stores and online. The third step is that you will also need to create a PayPal account for receiving your payments and link it to your Paxful account. It is also included in the links below, for you to use. Use our links below and stay tuned until the very end of our video for you to learn every step-by-step detail because in this video, we will show you how. Every single time that you post a video that people watch, by clicking on your specific link, you will get paid money every single time. Just post videos and get people to click on the videos, and you will earn easy PayPal money. And with almost 5 billion videos being watched on YouTube every single day, the opportunities to make money are enormous. Depending on where the videos are looked at, they will pay you various amounts of PayPal money. Each country's views will earn you PayPal money in various amounts. You can look on this website and see the various payout rates that they are going to pay you whenever you get people to click on and watch the videos. You can view all of the rates that they will pay you right there on the website that you see on your screen. On the top of the screen bring your mouse to Payment Proof. And click on Payment Proof. When you click on it you will see all of the people from different countries and the different amounts that they have earned and have gotten paid for sharing their video links and having them viewed. Remember to like and subscribe. Every minute and each day, people from around the world, just like you are earning money and getting paid. Would you like to have money like this flowing into your bank accounts starting today? Keep on watching and we will show how you too can make and earn even more money. So go ahead and click on the sign up and enter in your username, email address, and choose a password. Then check the box that you agree and click the register button. Or if you already have an account you can enter in your username or email address, and your password. Then check the box that says you are not a robot. And click sign in. You will be logged on to your dashboard that will show all of your earnings, and on the left side of the screen you'll see where you can shorten your video URL link. Take a look at your personalized dashboard. Inside of your dashboard you'll see all of your statistics. Because you have just created this account, it is brand new and it temporarily says 0. But as soon as you start sharing your shortened video URL links, you will be able to significantly increase your earnings in no time at all. It says average CPM, referral earnings, and total views. All of these you will increase just by getting views. Isn't this exciting? The concept is to shorten your link, get people to click on your specific link, and you will be able to get paid, making money again and again. The strategy that we are going to use is to go to YouTube and to find 3 up to 10 different videos. From there, on each of the videos, you are going to bring your mouse and click onto the share buttons for each of the videos, copying the links. But, instead of us simply sharing the YouTube videos, we are going to go to uuii.io. And then we will be shortening our links. Using this method, we will be able to make money from people clicking on our links and watching the videos. And, how are we going to encourage people to click on our shortened YouTube video links? I'm glad that you have asked. I have created this script for you that is all ready for you to quickly and easily use. And, you will be able to use it whenever you need to encourage the many viewers online to want to watch the videos using the links you have sent to them. The title of our script is, "You Will Burst with Laughter." This is so funny, and on your screen is the entire script right there for you to see. Just highlight, copy, and you can paste. And I'm going to show you where to sign up for a totally free account for sharing this script. And all you have got to do is create a new account by going to Twitter and signing up. Simply type in your info like your username, email, and a password that you want to use. Then log on to your totally brand new account. When you go back to your uuii.io account, you're going to see your statistics, and just how many people are clicking on your shortened video links. And, it will also show how much money that you will be making automatically every single day. So be sure to copy the entire script that I'm showing you on your screen right now and watch and learn how to start making easy PayPal money. Now, begin by finding your funny YouTube videos. Go to YouTube. Click in the search box and type funny videos. Then click the search icon. Next, scroll down and look at all of those funny videos to choose from. Find a video that you would like to share. There are so many to choose from. Look at all of those videos. Some of the videos are getting millions and millions of views. Let's choose this one by Mr. Beast. He is so funny to watch. And, surely many others would agree that watching his videos are worth clicking on and very entertaining. So let's choose to share his video. And clicking the share button. Copy its link. Then come back to the uuii.io dashboard. And paste your YouTube video link into this box here. You can add an alias if you'd like, such as funny videos. And, then click on the button that says to shorten your video link. Then it will automatically create our YouTube link for us using this special UII.io link shortener. Then click on the copy button and copy it to our clipboard. The next step is to go to our script. Highlight, copy, and then paste this script into our Twitter account. For that, we will be creating a brand new tweet for everyone to see. Did you know that on average, every second, around 6,000 tweets are tweeted on Twitter? And this is fantastic news because you will be able to get your links in front of thousands of people each and every second of every day. And for each of the videos you will have to go to the video, click on the share button, and copy the video's URL link. Then come back over to the UII.io dashboard, paste the YouTube video URL, create an alias, and then click on the button that says to shorten your YouTube video link. It's going to automatically turn your YouTube video links into shortened links. You can easily repeat this process for as many videos as you would want. Click the copy button. And, this is great news because whenever people begin to click on your shortened video links and they begin to watch the videos on YouTube, you will begin to make money. You heard me correctly. For each time that people click on your specific videos with shortened links, and begin to start watching the videos, you will be getting paid for each click. That's right. You'll be getting PayPal money for each of the clicks. And, to make more money all you have to do is to go back to our script and copy and paste it into this section where it says tweet. Then create a new tweet for everyone to see. We will be repeating the exact methods on the next rows by pasting the second shortened links there. And we will do the same thing with our next videos. It's a very good idea to paste up to 10 funny videos for people to watch and enjoy. And, remember that using our strategy, the more YouTube shortened video links that we put into our tweets, the more money that we will be making. Imagine all of the people clicking on your videos and watching. And as they are laughing, you will be making money getting it deposited all into your PayPal account and Paxful Bitcoin wallet. You are going to need access to spend your money wherever you want. Click on the link in the description below, log on to Paxful.com, and create yourself a brand new free Bitcoin wallet. Then connect it to your PayPal account. This is the modern way for you to get your money, save, transfer, and to easily shop around the world. Now, click on the links below for your free UII.io, PayPal, and Paxful Bitcoin wallet.